Welcome to my channel Study Lecture. Today we see important question about Mughal Empire. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which Mughal emperor discontinues the practice of झरका दर्शन to himself to the public from the balcony? Answer, Aurangzeb. Which artists are created with the genius of Mughal school of miniature painting? The answer, Mir Syed Ali and Abu Samad Khan. Next question, Hamad's Nam and Tutinam, the most decorated work in the Mughal painting, were made during the rule of which Mughal king? The answer, Akbar. Who are the only two emperors of the Mughal Empire who wrote their biography? The answer, Babur and Jahangir. Next question, Padshah-nama written by Abul Hamid Lahori given a detailed account of which Mughal king? Answer, Shah Jahan. Ustad Isa is credited as the architecture of which Mughal monument? Answer, Taj Mahal. The Mughal Empire expanded its territories to its peak during which region? The answer, Aurangzeb. Which Persian garden style was adopted by Mughal in monument architecture? The answer, Charabagh style. Who defeated Malab's ruler Medini Roy in the Battle of Chanderi? Answer, Babur. In which battle Humayun completely lost against Sher Shah? Answer, Battle of Bilgram in 1540. Where did Bairam Khan coronate Akbar? Answer, Kalanur. Next question, Akbar installed the statue of which Rajput commanded for their bravery after the siege of Mewar? Answer, Jayamala and Fateh Singh. Next question, who translated Tuzk-i-Babri in Persian? Answer, Abdul Rahim Khanai Khana. Next question, who was the only luminary of Akbar's court to accept Din-e-Ilahi? Answer, Birbal. Next question, which Mughal king introduced the Dos-af and Sai-as system in Mansabdari? Answer, Jahangir. Which Mughal king brought Kabul and Kandahar under Indian emperor only after Kushans? Answer, Babur. Which Mughal empire forbade the inscription of column on coin? Answer, Aurangzeb. Sher Shah Suri initially served in the army of Mughals under which king? Right answer, Babur. Where was Akbar born? Amarkot. Who were the hereditary owner of land during the reign of Akbar? Answer, Quantago. Next question, what was the real name of Sher Shah Suri? Right answer, Farid. Why did Sher Shah get the title Sher Khan from the Parthian Bahar Khan Lohani? Answer, for killing a tiger. Next question, what was the extent of Sher Shah Suri Empire from Bengal to Indus? During which champion Sher Shah Suri got severely wounded due to the bursting of the gun and subsequently died of it? Answer, Sight of Kalinger in 1545. Who was the royal historian of Sher Shah Suri? Right answer, Abbas Khan Sarwani. Next question, under whose rule the roads and saris come to the known the architecture of empire? Sher Shah Suri. Next question, who was the share of the state in the land revenue during Sher Shah Suri's reign? Right answer, 1/3 of the product. Where did the tomb of Sher Shah Suri? Answer: Sasaram, Bihar. Which king restored the Grand Trunk Road from Indus to Sonagaon in Bengal? Sher Shah Suri. Which silver coin introduced by Sher Shah, which was also used by subsequent Mughal king? Answer: rupees. The area under cultivation, the type of crops and revenue shared was the written on paper in Sur administration. What was the system is known as? Right answer: Pata system. Where did Sher Shah says that for a few grain of millet I almost lost the entire empire of India? Answer: after the battle of Giri Samal in 1544 AD. Who originally introduced the Rautari system? Answer: Sher Shah Suri. Next question. Rohtas Fort in Pakistan was built during the ruler of Sher Shah Suri. Last question. Which copper currency was issued by Sher Shah Suri? Answer: Dam.